Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz. I'm going to talk about Unit 3, Lesson 7. This is more work with unit rates. I cannot stress enough how important this concept is for 6th and 7th grade math. So hopefully you are ready with your notes and you're ready to get some things down. So we're going to talk about, like in the last lesson we were talking about blueberries and the cost per pound. Similarly, we're going to talk about apples this time. And in this first table, I want you to notice that we are looking at different amounts of apples, different numbers of pounds of apples, but we're going to notice that we have the same rate. So if I buy 4 apples for $10 and I divide 10 by 4, I get $2.50 per pound. Same thing if I take 8 pounds of apples and I spend $20, 20 divided by 8, I still get $2.50. 20 pounds and $50, 50 divided by 20 is again $2.50. So remember to find the unit price, that's our dollars per pound. That's probably the most useful unit rate when you're looking at like pounds of something that you're purchasing. We're going to divide the price by the number of pounds. And I always write it, as you guys know, I write it like this. So I'm going to figure out the cost per pound. So I'm going to take $10, I'm going to start with this one, per 4 pounds. And now I know that I'm finding cost per pound. And I know that 10 divided by 4 is 2.5, and in dollars and cents, that's $2.50. We can also find the number of pounds of apples we can buy per dollar. So this is where you could flip these numbers around, and you just have to be really careful that you think about what you're doing. So if I want to know, well, how many apples can I buy for $1? Like if I walk in with a dollar bill and I say, all right, give me as many apples as I can get for $1. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to take apples, so pounds of apples, per $10, right? Pounds per dollar. That's what I want to know. I want to know how many pounds I can get per dollar. And when I divide 4 by 10, I get 4/10, which is the same as 2/5. So that means I can get 2/5 of a pound of apples per dollar. Okay, so it's true in all contexts that when we have two ratios that are equivalent, the two unit rates will always be equal. And so if we look back at our tables here, we can see that 4 to 10 is equivalent to 8 to 20. Here I'm just multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2. 4 to 10 is also equivalent to 20 to 50. Here I'm multiplying by 5, and again I'm multiplying by 5. And so if my equivalent ratios are true and valid, then I know the unit rates will be as well. Same here or here. All right, so I'm hoping that makes sense, and then that helps you continue to move through this unit. Thanks for listening.